Hi, in this module we will see how AI can help teachers in assessment and evaluation. So when it comes to generating assessments, AI is capable of generating multi-level questions or any kind of assignments which you wish for. It can also generate rubrics when it comes to evaluation, and AI can also help you in providing some feedback to students. Now let's see what are the assessments that one can create. So the very basic thing is creating multi-level questions. So a variety of question bank. So a question bank can be created which can be MCQ, which can be true false, which can be fill in the blanks with very difficulty, or you can also create questions based on Bloom's taxonomy. Now these are the basic level of questions you can create. How you can use AI to enhance your assessment. When it comes to MCQ, you can ask AI to add distractors like what happens in competitive exams. Now, since you are a teacher, you already know that what are the common misconceptions happen in those topics. So you can also add those misconceptions and you can also generate or create assessment based on misconception so that student can learn and remove it. So keep these things in mind while generating an assessment. And now we will see how we can generate more questions. So coming to a very basic level, you can simply ask AI to create few easy, medium and hard questions for any topic with just one prompt. On a second level, you can also create a self-correction quiz, which we have already discussed. Suppose you have a topic of parliament. So you already know what are the misconceptions, and you can create a question which also have a distractor, misconception, and it's a self-correction quiz because this will help them clear their doubt and misconception automatically. And also if you have access of digital device, you can provide an immediate feedback which can help the students to learn from their mistake. So if you are not aware of misconceptions, so the machine already has a lot of data. The students all over the world are asking questions. So you can ask AI about the common misconception and then you can move forward to create assessments. Let's try this one by one. So suppose I have opened ChatGPT and now I want this generate two easy medium questions for which topic? Let's take a topic of Parliament of Indian polity. So since we have not said specifically whether we want MCQ, fill in the blanks, it was shot in the dark and it has created a Q&A, simple short answer time. Differentiate the member between this, okay, and this is the hard question. Suppose you wanted MCQ, generate two MCQ, two hard. But suppose you wanted MCQ question, so you have to write MCQ and let's see. Okay, so you have got MCQ questions as well as correct answer and few explanation. But before this, you want AI to identify common misconception on the election of parliament members topic and generate 5 questions, 5 MCQ questions, 5 MCQ questions. Add distractors in the options. So the common misconceptions are often think that member of parliament directly elected by citizens. Many confuse Lok Sabha with Raj Sabha members. Okay, so these are the MCQs with distractors. Member of Lok Sabha are elected by citizens through direct elections. So citizens, members of Raj Sabha. So it has also added some distractors. So that is how you can create questions with distractions, which will help them to clarify their misconceptions using quiz. Let's try this prompt. In landforms, let's take a topic of landforms of geography. Let's see. So students think that all mountains are volcanoes. Many believe plains are always flat with no small hill or slopes. Students often confuse island and peninsula. Very nice. So this is our quiz. Which statement about mountain is correct? Mountain is a volcano. Mountains are always covered with snow. Some mountains are volcanic. Mountains can only be formed by eruptions. So this is how you can use AI to generate quiz. See you in the next video.